Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, if you're looking to buy a gift for somebody and you have no clue where to start, I have it for you, and it's in this little box. So these are burger socks from AGRIMONY. Such a fun and cool idea. So obviously the packaging is incredible. It looks like a to-go box for a burger. And then when you open it up, it is wrapped just like a burger. It is the coolest thing. So the way that the socks are designed, it makes it look like the bun and the lettuce and the tomato and all of the things. I just love this. I think it's so clever. Now it comes with 2 pairs of socks, and they are actually extremely comfortable. So they're made of a very soft, thick material, really well done. Sizing is good too. They have a nice stretch to them. We have the large, extra large. My son is a size 11 and they fit him great. Now the whole AGRIMONY storefront is packed with cool gift ideas, so have a look. They have all sorts of other sock combos that I just love, and then they have other ideas too, but it's a really unique gifting idea that I'm sure whoever gets it will love, and that's my point of view.